Hello everyone and it's time to go live. सॉरी कल हाई टी नहीं हो सकी तो आज हम लेट हाई टी कर लेंगे हमारे पांडे जी के साथ। फिलहाल तो जिस तरह कल उनका नेट था, आज हम दोनों सांस और इंटरनेट दोनों ही रोक के बैठे हैं ताकि ऑल गोज वेल। एंड वी आर सिंगिंग हिज सॉन्ग ऑफ बैंड ऑफ वॉइस, मेरी नींद खो गई है, मेरा चैन खो गया है, एंड रिक्वेस्टिंग द इंटरनेट। आपने तो स्टोरी देखी ही होगी कि उन्होंने अपने इंटरनेट को धमकी भी दे दी है। सो होपफुली वी शैल हैव एन अमेजिंग लाइव सेशन एंड ही इज राइट हियर, सो ही शुड बी रियली सून एंड द इंटरनेट इज। हेलो अभिन, हेलो Timpu, thank you for the compliment. Hello Sharma ji, and we have sent him an hey captain. You're there
What's
now?
up?
You're
Finally,
not
you can
freeze
see.
now.
काश ये
Finally I
धमकी
can
कल
see
दी
you. You can see me. कल दे देते तो आज हम लेट टी नहीं कर रहे होते, कल ही हम हाई टी कर रहे होते।
आई स्वेयर यार, ये कोई हाई टी का टाइम है? इस टाइम पर हाई नहीं होता है।
अभी आप फिटनेस वाले हो ना, हम तो कभी भी खा लेते हैं, कभी भी पी लेते हैं।
Oh, look who's talking. Yeah,
So
stop for compliments, Shweta. Yeah, I know how fit and how regimented you are about your diet and your workout and everything.
nowhere close to you. Like even before giving a live session, you said मैं जाके वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ इंटरनेट को धमकी देके। And I'm like enjoying
Right?
mango milkshake. So this
Oh,
is like quarantine has ruined my fitness.
you never know. Mango shake is very healthy. It might just do some good to you. You never know. That extra bit that you
Like
had lost. Remember, I was telling you so much weight that uh, you, you might become invisible, but this is going to keep you the.
yeah, like once you told me balcony पे खड़े मत होना, पता चला उड़ गई है और सीधा जिम पहुंच गई है।
There you go. I told you.
Okay, so since the net is very scared of you today and it's been very kind to us, so I'm gonna
Yeah.
start with all that I've been wanting to ask you. And there's a
Yes.
lot that I want to ask you, so I'm sure I won't be able to finish it in one live session because you've done so much. But let me start with tidbits to begin with.
Okay. Yes. All set.
So, you are our multi can go on and on. I think मेरा पूरा live session का 1 घंटा can only go on having a monologue on you because you are a model, singer, and then acting in like all the possible movies from Khiladi 420 to अभी digital media casino. Like there's so much to talk about. और मैं सिर्फ फिल्मोग्राफी बोल के 1 घंटा खत्म कर सकती हूँ यहाँ पे।
How did modeling happen to me?
Yes.
Okay.
How did it happen?
I started as a teenager. I was still started working, and this was in Delhi. I used to live in Nainital. Actually, that's my hometown, Uttarakhand. You know, that's where I come from. And uh, of any of any so that noise coming from? Somebody's making.
I can't hear you suddenly. You're like mute here. All I heard was I started as a teenager and then I've lost you.
Oh, really?
And now I can hear you. Oh,
This
really?
internet is.
See, this internet and then it was again mute.
Are
It's like guess the further line. Are?
it, man? Should
Shit, man. Now
I change my location today again? and let me see if
I think, please go to that corridor where you put your singing videos from. That corridor is really lucky and that ball is super lucky.
No. See, it's not the corridor. It's just that it's
See, now it's perfectly fine.
you can hear.
It's not the corridor. I can hear you now. I heard the whole sentence. It's not the corridor. It is. I heard the entire thing.
Okay, maybe you know why? Because in my study room, I switch on the air conditioner at the door. So probably because
So
of
maybe
that,
because of the pillows, the net is.
signal drops a little bit. So I'm gonna make some arrangement here, in my living room, and continue the chat. So basically, what I was telling you is that I started as a model from Nainital, okay? And my brother came to me one day telling me that there is this ad in the newspaper which says models required for a Bombay-based magazine. Do you want to give it a try? और उस टाइम पे ऐसा था कि I didn't even know what वो देखते थे ना हम लोग कि models थे दीपक मल्होत्रा, Milind Soman, all those guys, and we used to say कि model है. We didn't even know a proper definition of a model. I'm so young, still a teenager. So then,
And everyone, I have to cut you here.
Yeah.
So while you have said I was still a teenager, there have been lots of comments flowing in, but you're still looking like one. So I had to cut you and tell you that all your fans still feel that you're looking like a teenager still. And they've gone on messaging and loads of hearts are flowing. And I totally agree with you all. So इनका राज fitness का और young दिखने का and how he's still looking like that, we're going to get back to it. Now you can continue the modeling story.
Okay. So वहाँ से I only knew about all these guys and without knowing the proper definition of a model also. We just happened. I mean, I sent that. I sent a message. I called that number actually in Delhi, and that guy said, "Why don't you do one thing? Why don't you send me some of your just general photographs?" तो अपनी फोटो तो वैसी वाली होती थी दैट टाइम में वो जो कैमरे आते ना जब उससे मतलब कोई किसी भी अच्छे इंसान की भी फोटो खींचो तो उसमें आदमी डकैती लगता था ठीक है ना दोस काइंड ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स so I photographs and then one day he called and said, is that Sudhan? He says that why come to Bombay? I'd like to click some photographs of yours and then we will worth the while. Then I'll guide you. That is where it all started. I went there. He clicked my photographs and they turned out like really fabulous. There, I think he to a couple of agencies like Das and HTA and all those advertising agencies, the top ones that time in Delhi. I went there. I dropped my folio, and the next I knew, within 3 weeks, there I was signed for a shootings campaign, which was the topmost shootings campaign for that year in the country, called BSL Shootings, Bhilwara Shootings, and this for a 3-year contract. And my first ad came as a set Time magazine. तो टाइम मैगजीन में आना मतलब बहुत बात थी उस टाइम पे लंदन में मेरे मामा देख के पागल that kind of stuff happened. So from there my journey started Delhi for about 3 years. I moved to Bombay.
Well, I'm sorry.
Can you hear me?
We paused. Are you there?
Yeah, I've got full signals. I've got full. Yeah, I have full signal in my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, now I can hear you again. So from there my journey started, and then we had lost you for a fraction of seconds.
अगर अभी डिस्कनेक्ट हुआ तो मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने गलती से अपने इंटरनेट को डांटा. आई शुड हैव स्कोल्डेड योर इंटरनेट.
No, I will send a snap.
हाँ. See again you're going away.
Who's going away? Am I there or have I gone away? Open the door.
The Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi seems a little weak, I think, because I've got full signals now.
Even I've got full signal and I've run 2 lives today और मुझे कुछ problems नहीं हुई. See, again you did that eyebrow act which you've not taught me since 1 year. You moved away from this building but you've not taught me that act.
ये तो point है यार. I should have taught you before I left the building.
मतलब ये मैंने कितना बोला, जब से वो 2.0 रिलीज हुए तब से मैं आपके पीछे पड़ी हूँ, ये एक्ट सिखा दो मुझे. बट नहीं
करेंगे. इसके बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा मुझे कि कब ये करा जाए.
Okay, I think internet चल रहा है, so I'm gonna get on my next question really quickly. So from there, from modeling, you got into ads and everything, and then suddenly a band of boys, your first singing thing. And I remember that song. Instead, I started with that song only. Mera meri neend kho gayi. I'm not that good a singer, so I'm not gonna sing ahead of that line. How did that happen?
So basically, what happened was after I had shifted to Bombay, I think I came here in '97, if I'm not wrong. '97, I came here, and then I was still very young, so I was I was modeling. I was doing all the television commercial work, and I was doing a lot of fashion shows with all the top designers, whether it's with Bal or JJ or Ashish Soni or Gabbana or Abu Khosla, Hemant Tripathi, all these guys I worked with as a fashion. Then I got called for my job. My first job was actually different project. One, I got a show. We are alive that time. Production house. Same time, around the same time, Balaji was also coming to the Glossy era, and they were starting a project. I signed that on called Kanyadan, and first Gadi 400.
That was the first movie, na? Khiladi.
All these three projects happened at the same time as an actor for me. So that is where my acting started.
And then, so you have been killing it from there. There is like just the filmography went on increasing. You've also done international things like The Myth.
Yeah, I did. I was all over the place. I was acting for a couple of years, and then this band happened, and then before I knew, I was singing on stage with the band. The reason why I got sucked into this concept of the band was because it was India's first ever boy band that was being and we were being guided by Haran and Leslie Lewis. They were our mentors, and they us, and it was amazing. I mean, I would have never imagined that I, who had thought would be a singer or professional, started singing professionally, and we were on stage, and we were doing shows all across the globe. Everywhere I was doing shows, and I experienced that frenzy that we had only seen. Girls were screaming, crying, हमारे band members के कपड़े तक, all those things, and it really did feel like it was unreal. So, the kind of love and fury of the audience during that time, it was unbelievable. It's I haven't seen that ever again.
I remember that music video where you're dressed in that entire white sheath shirt and the
That
whole
was
white look and you're all. That was the first video, and it was like.
Let me tell you something very funny about that. Let me tell you something very funny. Just give me one.
So, all you people out there, while we're waiting for the surprise, let me tell you all that I have been telling you highs and hellos, and thank you for coming live.
Yeah, thank you all the guys who are saying hello, hi, and I think they're probably trying to ask me a few questions as well. But
there are some people asking you कि पांडे जी आप बड़े खिलाड़ी हैं, आपका फिटनेस का राज क्या है, और आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, तो आप क्या फिटनेस करते हैं? यू बीन लुकिंग यंग, हाउ आर यू डूइंग इट? एंड all of them are saying a lots of highs and hellos and lots of hearts are flowing in for you.
Lots of love right back at you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So sweet. I feel blessed when I receive so much of love from all the people around. This sort of reinstates my faith in whatever I do and whatever I've been doing. So what I was going to tell you, okay, Shweta, is that video that you're talking about, that white outfit, that was our first music video. So that outfit, you must much because the outfit was my outfit was supposed to have a from some supposed to have a okay, but
Singlet.
was okay. So because the fabric was heavy, when I wore it, that stick opened up and became a hole. Okay, so my chest was exposed. Okay,
Oh, that's how it happened.
because yes, exactly, that's how it happened. And because we were on the set and we were all set to shoot that time, there was no time for us to rectify it or change the outfit. I wore it, shot the video, and there was a this right, and that step with that sort of cleavage showing a lot of things to a lot of people. And I still remember the midday, but that year gave me.
Okay, the
Did
net,
you hear?
our net is not working. Joe is saying. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can see you also and hear you. So
I have to tell you.
Midday gave me a cleavage of the year award that year.
But you deserve that award because one, I'm not saying this because, and you've been a friend, but you look the best. I didn't even know you back then. And I think you carried out that whole white shirt and white look extremely well. And I remember watching that video and I was like, oh my God, this is such a cool video. And that video and song is like imprinted. I don't even have to go back to it.
So you mean to say
I can totally understand.
I could carry off the cleavage really well, a man cleavage.
That's why you got the award. So I agree with Midday.
Okay.
But I didn't know the story behind it. I thought it was a planned move by the stylist to do that entire thing.
If that was a plan from before, I would have left the band.
So even if it was a planned thing, I'm glad you didn't know and you became a part of that band, the first band. And thanks to that, the singing bit started full on, and then you've also had your first single, Teri Ada, and then now we see these lovely singing pose that you put from the corridor, which I think is the best place in the house because there's no disturbance there.
No, but I'm a little smart there. I use my because I don't have a mic, I don't have any system where I can sing. So to just make my voice a little good with the of the corridor, some people ask, भाई साहब आपका कॉरिडोर एक ही जगह आपके यहाँ
क्योंकि वो हर गाने में बराबर फिट होता है.
हाँ वो नहीं तो और कहाँ यार ऐसे. हाँ, because I don't have a mic यार. If I had a mic, I could stand anywhere and sing. But मुझे वो गली इस्तेमाल करनी पड़ती है.
Yeah, because I was like, I've seen all your courses. वो corridor में जो आवाज आती है ना वो perfect है. So now I know why others are asking that.
दो जगह ऐसी आवाज आती है, या तो आपके टॉयलेट में या कॉरिडोर में. तो टॉयलेट में बैठ के मैं गाता हूँ, ठीक है ना, because that might not go down well with the audience, so I have to stand in the corridor and sing.
Yeah, and also you're a good singer. You're not a bathroom singer, so drop the idea of the bathroom.
मान की बहुत बड़ी कृपा है.
So, yeah, okay. Now you have been a part of TV and that era, and now you are also a part of the whole digital. Like, हर platform पे आपका एक या दो show चल ही रहे हैं. You've done so many shows, and now you have Casino coming up, which is going to be releasing now. It's releasing on 20th, right?
On the
So there's
12th.
somebody
On the
asking
12th.
on the 12th. Okay. So Casino is
Yes, on the
releasing on
12th.
12th because a lot of people are asking us that when is Casino releasing and they've been wanting to see it. And so अगर आप हमें Casino के बारे में कुछ बताएं.
Yeah, so for all the people who want to know about Casino, नितिन दारा, मेरे टैलेंट के बारे में तू अच्छी तरह जानता है क्या? बहुत सालों से. You know it. And Casino is released the 12th of June on Z5 Premium, guys, and you must watch it. Primarily because हर आदमी को, हर एक्टर को बोलना पड़ता है कि बॉस आपको मतलब मेरा शो क्यों देखना या मेरी फिल्म. तो मैं आपको एक रीजन दे देता हूँ कि कसिनो एक ऐसा शो है. आई थिंक till now I haven't seen any web show which has had the mix of all the issues that are used for entertainment. So there is the drama, there is the humor, there is the, all the colors, all the good things of all the good parts or the essence of uh, uh, format. So and you get to see a good looking location, good looking you know, sound to watch. Plus, interesting story, which is going to be right. So do watch it and all waiting for your feed.
We are also super excited to watch Casino and see you in the bow tie. And we also have Karan is coming tomorrow on our live session to talk about Casino. तो हम आप दोनों को और मंदना को और बहुत सारे लोगों को Casino में देखने वाले हैं. 12th के बाद we know what we have to binge watch.
Great,
Do I
that
still
sounds
have
great,
you
man.
or are it? So have you gone on Casino nights? एक तो अगर
okay.
हम मूव नहीं करते ना मुझे एक मिनट के लिए डर लगता है कि इंटरनेट तो नहीं रुक गया.
नहीं इसलिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि कहीं फ्रेम से बाहर. Now you are paused, श्वेता जी. आप पॉज.
हाँ अब मैं वापस आ गई हूँ और मैं आपका सर हिलते हुए देख रही हूँ. तो आर यू ऑल्सो देयर और एम आई hallucinating you being there online?
You are not hallucinating. In fact, my visual of you is like I am hallucinating. ऐसा धुंधला धुंधला.
I swear जिस तरह ये लाइव कल से चल रही है ना, if you still were living in this compound area, I would have just rang the doorbell and be like हम यहाँ से लाइव करते हैं.
आज बाजू में बैठ के लाइव करते यार कसम से सीरियसली. क्या हो?
And the funniest is हमने टाइमिंग चेंज कर ली, हमने पोस्टर चेंज कर लिया, हमने इंटरनेट को धमकी तक दे दी.
सब कुछ कर लिया यार. मुझे लगता है मैंने धमकी गलत दी.
तो और क्या धमकी देते आप?
मुझे लग रहा है मुझे तुम्हारे इंटरनेट को धमकी देनी चाहिए थी. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है.
देखो मेरा इंटरनेट चल रहा है, आप अभी धमकी दे दो उसको because the internet is still here, so he might just hear it and we would have another 20 minutes. So you can try giving him an online धमकी.
Public
no, don't worry.
नहीं करेगा.
देखो जैसे बोलो तुम्हारा इंटरनेट बंद हो जाए. So I have to tell you one thing.
दिल पे पत्थर रख के कसम देखूंगा. दारे
दिल पे पत्थर रख के क्यों देखोगे?
मत रख. तू वो पत्थर उठा के सर पे अपने मार लीजो ठीक है ना, उसके बाद जो भी दिखेगा तो अच्छा ही दिखेगा.
Okay, I don't know, but luckily, whenever you've answered, that time the net has worked fine, and all of them have got the answer. So at least I'm not worried about that. But I'm gonna play a quick question,
So,
this or that, with you. Okay? So,
okay.
since you are a movie lover and you've done so many movies, this or that, popcorn or chocolate?
Chocolate. चॉकलेट सुनते ही इंटरनेट डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. चॉकलेट चॉकलेट सुनते ही इंटरनेट डिस्कनेक्ट और मुझे कुछ नहीं दे रहा है, सुना नहीं दे रहा
अभी अभी सुनाई दिया. अभी मैं
है.
हूँ.
हेलो हेलो.
हेलो, कैन यू सी मी?
अब सुनाई दे रहा है. हाँ अभी आया, धीरे धीरे आया. थोड़ा सा वो हेलुसिनेशन वाला विजुअल आ रहा
हेलो करणवीर. I hope you can see us because we
है.
cannot see
रणवीर,
each other. इधर इंटरनेट पूरा
तो
यहाँ चला
मैं
गया क्योंकि ये जो कसिनो नाइट्स 9 बजे खेलते हैं ना, ये जो
फिर
कसिनो
बोला
नाइट्स
यू
वहां पे
बेटर
9 बजे चल रही होती है.
हैव योर इंटरनेट सॉर्टेड टुमारो, बिकॉज ये श्वेता रोहिरा का इंटरनेट जो है ये बहुत डॉजी है. ये ओबरॉय स्प्रिंग्स में रहता है, इसलिए इसका एटीट्यूड कुछ ज्यादा ही है. कुछ ठीक से कनेक्ट नहीं कर रहा है ये बाकी लोगों से.
अरे बाकी सबके साथ कैसे हो रहा है? रनबाल में प्रॉब्लम है. प्लीज हमारे अब्रॉड स्पिंग्स को कुछ मत बोलो.
तो देख करणवीर बोरा बोला यस आई कैन सी बोथ ऑफ यू. अरे पगले सीन नहीं, खाली फोटो ही दिखाई दे रही है, सुना आवाज भी आ रही है.
He's happy to just see us. He's like बाकी सब छोड़ो.
हाँ आई कैन सी बोथ ऑफ यू बोल रहे.
Can you hear us? Hi Swati, can you hear us? Because even we are not sure we can hear each other anymore.
ये सब नाम ले रहा
I can hear you now.
श्वेत्स बोला किसी ने. अब कैन हियर एंड सी श्वेत्स,
अच्छा,
मतलब मुझे नहीं, मतलब मेरे को देख नहीं पा रहे लोग. अरे यार, अब कोई बोल रहे कि सिर्फ आवाज आ रही है. अरे तो ओके.
we can hear you guys. अभी तक तो बोल रहे थे he could see, now he's saying he can hear.
अच्छा करणवीर बोला
काम की बात हो चुकी है. कसिनो को हमने प्रमोट कर लिया है. 12 जून को हम जाके देख रहे हैं. 12 जून को हम कोई लाइव सेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं. हम सिर्फ बैठ के बिंज वॉच करेंगे Z5 पे कसिनो. ठीक है करणवीर, हो गया प्रमोशन. अब हम बात कर ले.
हमने नेपाल में शूट किया था करणवीर, तो सबको ये बता देना कल डेफिनेटली कि हमने नेपाल में शूट किया था, इसलिए जब भी वो देखें तो मास्क लगा.
और उसके बाद क्वारंटीन नहीं हो क्योंकि ट्रैवल करके आए. वो भी बोल दो.
टेस्ट करके वॉश करके रखे.
Okay, he's already gone to sanitize himself. He's like goodbye. Okay, back to, we knew it was chocolate. Now comedy or thriller?
Comedy any day.
Which is your favorite comedy movie?
I love watching Welcome. Welcome is one of the most hilarious films from the old times, I would say. That Kundan Shah film यार अपनी जाने भी तो यार.
हाँ, that is amazing. I have the poster of it also in my house. पर मैं यहाँ से हिलूंगी नहीं क्योंकि अगर इंटरनेट को कुछ हो गया तो मैं वो पोस्टर दिखाने के चक्कर में यहाँ से नहीं हिल रही.
Where यार? This day.
At home or at cinemas? What do you prefer when you're watching a movie?
Home.
हाँ, क्योंकि Z5 तो हम घर से ही देखेंगे और अब कसीनो देखना है तो फिर घूम ही बोल देता. वाह वाह, क्या प्लानिंग थी.
और अब तो कोई चॉइस भी नहीं है सिवाय घर में बैठ के देखने की. थिएटर में तो जा भी नहीं.
रोमांस और एक्शन?
रोमांस.
नेटफ्लिक्स और डीवीडी? सॉरी, Z5 और डीवीडी?
Z5.
Thank God Karanveer चला गया था. यहाँ पे he would have started Z5 or Netflix to say we all love Z5. 12 June we are gonna watch Casino on Z5. Okay, back to Disney or Marvel.
Marvel.
Rewatch classics or new releases?
I like to watch new releases, but only on Netflix, Amazon, and digital portals, basically. New releases in films, not many. Not many. Not many. I like to watch classics.
Favorite classic?
दो आंखें बारह हाथ.
Musicals or sci-fi?
Musicals or
Sci-fi.
I couldn't hear the second.
Musicals or science
Musicals.
fiction? Favorite musical?
Musicals.
Favorite musical?
Favorite musical, very difficult to say, but most of the old films, like I said, V. Shantaram films I used to love. And, there were films like Navrang, and there are some amazing songs and music that used to get made for V. Shantaram. So I used to love all the old musicals, all of them.
Animation or horror?
Horror.
मैं फेवरेट नहीं पूछूंगी क्योंकि मुझे देखनी नहीं है हॉरर. Movie marathon or just one flick?
One flick at a time. Movie marathon sort of destroys the after taste of any.
If you had a warning label for yourself, what would it be?
If I had a
Warning label for yourself, what would it be?
what would it be? Liar will get a boot.
What is the worst movie you've ever seen?
What is the worst movie I've ever seen? अरे बाप रे, उसमें तो बहुत सारे मतलब there are innumerable ones. Innumerable.
I thought as much,
There are
but
so
एक दो
many
नाम
of
दे
them.
दो. एक दो lately that you must have watched and you must be like ये मैंने क्यों start की और you shifted. वो एक दो नाम दे दो.
The worst things that I've seen off late was Betal on Netflix.
Yeah, I saw the trailer
That
of
horror
it and
thing
I was
that
like, I
came.
can't watch it.
Yeah, no, the trailer was very good, but when I watched the series, I just sort of very disappointed, very, very.
Do you have any superstition?
I don't have any superstition, but I have beliefs. I don't have any superstition.
What is the cheesiest line you had to learn or memorize in any of your movies that you've done? And you were like, ये क्या line है?
अरे बाप रे यार, ये तो मतलब बहुत सारी ऐसी लाइनें आती हैं जो स्क्रिप्ट पे लिख के आती हैं एंड दे आर कि मैं उनको
Casino
चेंज
में
ही
कोई
कर देता
cheesy
हूँ
line
मोस्टली.
थी?
हाँ.
Casino में थी कोई cheesy line which you changed and you were like, ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ नेपाल में.
नेपाल में नहीं, वो कहीं भी बोलने लायक नहीं होती. Sometimes the lines are such, whenever there is any cheesy line, मैं उसको cheesy कर देता हूँ. Because मेरे अंदर से मेरी अंतरात्मा मना.
Okay. If you were stuck in an elevator and you had to sing only one song on the loop, which song would it be?
तुम जो मिल गए हो तो ये लगता है कि जहां मिल गया. That's the song I would sing.
When is the next album we are seeing of yours? See, again you did that eyebrow thing purposely. You did that again. This is to jala me. I know it.
I promise.
So people, I have to tell you all, that when I had seen Robot 2.0, I had called him and said, please मुझे ये सिखा दो, because he kept doing this during his scenes and I said, वाह क्या talent है, मुझे सीखना है.
And
And he's been avoiding to teach me since then.
promise I shall keep promise. I swear I will do this. Even if I have to do it later, I will help you take
Okay, back to questions. Which is the next song that we're gonna see you post?
Next song, I think most likely to come from one of Kishore Kumar's songs, because is I'm on a Kishore Kumar what was that? Kishore Kumar petting these days.
Weather भी ऐसा है, quarantine भी है, so I'm sure the mood is set with those songs. For our viewers, a nice two
Absolutely.
lines of some song that you can sing for us.
मेरी तमन्ना झूठ नहीं है मेरा प्यार, दीवाने से हो गई गलती, जा दो यार, I love you, I love you, आके मेरी आंखों में तुम देखो, इनमें हर एक अदा तुम्हारी है, कहने को ये दिल है मेरा, लेकिन धड़कन में सदा तुम्हारी है, तुमसे चैन मेरा तुमसे है, मेरा करार, I love you, I love you, मेरी सोनी.
So all
There
your
you
fans
go.
have been messaging, love you too, love you too, love you too, lots of hearts, and thank you so much for singing this beautiful song. But we still
Thank-
have a few questions for you.
Okay.
As an actor or a singer, where do you lean more?
I don't lean anywhere. I think I'm in the middle of both equally. I feel that performer as somebody who is a part of the performance. I should be good at everything that I do as a performer. Uh, I am a performer, and I don't call myself just an actor. I'm a performer, and I do it well. So I do everything passionately.
That we agree. Totally. Beat even raising that one eyebrow, which isn't that for that matter. What's your dream role? I mean, is there any dream role that is still pending because you've done so much work? So, कुछ है अभी that you still have like एक ये dream role ये वाली pending है?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई नहीं है, because I personally feel that there is no I can't call any particular role a dream, because I think that every role that I do become a dream role, because actor, my job is to every character that I get to play or to perform be so good that people fall in love with it, and it should become doing I so good that people are falling in love with it.
Yeah, that is true. That's why you have like such huge fan following because we fall in love with every character that you play, be it a thriller in Bypass or Khiladi 420 or like I can go on. But अब मैं filmography पे time नहीं डालने वाली हूँ क्योंकि नेट support कर रहा है तो मैं आपको question पूछने वाली हूँ. First thing you're gonna do post quarantine.
Go and shoot, go to the studio and shoot in front of the camera, और कम तो मैं अपनी खड़ा कैमरे.
First restaurant you would want to go post quarantine.
I would like to go to the Marriott Lotus Camp where we take really good buffet. I'm a pure vegetarian, so I have my dal and I'll probably order.
नेट गया. I can't hear you.
लो, तेरी दाल रोटी बीच में रह गई.
उन्होंने बोला क्वारंटीन के टाइम पे लोगों को मत जला बाहर की बातें करके. So they decided. Okay, so before we sign out, this or that again, just 5 questions to know you more. Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Early bird or a night owl?
I prefer early bird.
Pizza or pasta? We know you like Indian. दाल रोटी पे नेट चले गई थी तो I moved to Italian. Pizza or pasta?
Pizza any day.
Winters or summer?
Winters.
Breakfast or dinner?
Both actually. I wake up hungry, so I love breakfast and dinner. I love dinner, but only I can't have dinner. So really, and I prefer a good dinner. Good dinner, like nice that. That's
Since our net has been so good and we have managed our live chat in spite of little differences here and there, if you had to sing a song to the Wi-Fi, क्योंकि बेचारे को धमकी तो दे दी थी, अब थोड़े प्यार के कुछ दो बोल, तो what song would you sing to your Wi-Fi?
तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी ले, जिंदगी तो जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी जिंदगी नहीं.
Brilliant. I think Wi-Fi खुश हो गया है. कल से जितने लाइव करोगे ना वो खुशी खुशी he's going to be a part of the Wi-Fi.
खुश हो गया कि शायद ये डिस्कनेक्ट ना हो.
हाँ, इसीलिए आप पहले ही हमारे व्यूअर्स को बाय बोल दो. अब आप हमें बाय बोल दो. इसके पहले वो बोले कि I want to spend some alone time after a lovely song. Okay, sorry, there is a fan who's been saying sing song Teri Ada. So if you could just fulfill her wish. Teri Ada, this your single. Teri Ada, the single that you've recorded.
तेरी अदा में है वो नशा, बेपरवाह सा दिल हो चला, तेरी नजर ने छुआ इस तरह, बेकाबू सा मैं हो चला, बेगानी चाहते ये तेरी मुझको ना. मैं खुद ही लिरिक्स भूल गया अपने गाने की, मालूम है.
अब आप इतना गाते हो, इतना लिखते हो, तो पॉसिबल भी नहीं है ना सब याद रखना.
हाँ, बट आई होप जितना गाया उतना समझ में आ गया होगा. और
हाँ, और इंटरनेट भी नहीं रुका वो टाइम पे बिल्कुल भी. And we had our wows coming in and high fives coming in, so it was perfect.
Thank you so much.
So yes, thank you so much.
Lots of love and blessings to all of you, and stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors till there is corona out there, and till we get some nice good treatment, short treatment or a vaccine. Please take care of yourselves, your loved ones, your family, your parents, all of them, and take.
Thank you for joining us live.
Thank you, darling.
And we are going to trouble you soon with many more questions. But right now, after today, we are going to go and see on 12th Casino on Z5.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. Take care.